X-Pack has smart app support. You just need to connect to Wi-Fi. You can use your mobile to fly. Or still go with the controller while enjoying the view from real-time transmission. You can take photos or shoot a video, record every wonderful moment. Just need to press one button to take off. When let go the throttle stick, the drone will keep stable on a level. You don't have to be nervous to hold the throttle stick all the time.
I'll go ahead and connect this. Slide in the battery. Once you download that, you can just open that up. Now what you want to do is you want to go into your settings, into your Wi-Fi settings. And then once you're here, you want to go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi. And take note, guys, this has nothing to do with your Wi-Fi network or internet connection. It's a direct connection right from your phone to the drone, okay? So no internet whatsoever. And then from here, here's the tricky part. I've seen other YouTube videos where they couldn't find the actual name. Well, it's a little bit difficult because it has nothing to do with the actual name of the drone, but they named this one MJX_H. So tap on that, give it a second to connect, and then we'll go ahead and open up the DROCON app. And then from here, we'll go ahead and tap on monitor. And right now you can see the FPV, front person view, is working right now. All right guys, so I got the FPV up. Go ahead and fire this bad boy up. I think it's on setting number 1 right now. Let me go ahead and switch this up. Or you know what? Let me wait. Okay, so looks like it's on setting 1. It's flying like a little bit slow here. Let's go ahead and move the setting up to number 2 here. Okay, now it's flying a little bit faster now. Whoa! Go ahead and try a couple flips here. Oh, nice.